Alright guys, welcome again to our session, and this time we want to look at NASDAQ. Still FX color Panzy, and do the same thing I do every day, send out market setups and help you guys find direction on the market. Now, I just got a request to look at NASDAQ, and I'm going to do that real quick. I like to start off on the monthly, as you guys already know, and so push out to the monthly real quick and see what we can find down there. Alright, looking at the monthly, you'd see that I don't have so much of data here because the chart only dates back to sometime in 2015, and all we can see is a strong up move, but for whatever it's worth, it wouldn't look like a good place to start analysis from. But we can see that the market has progressively gone bullish. So bullish move, pullback, bullish move, pullback, bullish move, pullback, bullish run, looking like it's going to make another pullback. So that's on the monthly, but it's not really good enough for us to make trading decisions. So to be on the safe side, I'd like to go on to low time frame, and I'll look at the weekly real quick. Okay, let's see. Taking quite some time to load. On the weekly, what do we have? Compress the chart just a little bit, and we see. We see just what we saw on the monthly. We see the market in a strong up push. Market goes all the way up. This point, pullback, minor pullbacks, up, major pullback, up, bit of a pullback, up, pullback here, up. This has taken out this high, and market is looking like it's coming back bearish. Okay, so we're looking like we're finding a bit of reversal around here, and but before I look to trade bearish, this market is still bullish. Before I look to consider a bearish move, I want to see market come down, take out this level. So I have a break of structure here, break of structure below this level. Then the market should come back, test another block somewhere around here, and then market should crash all the way down. Until I see that, I'll still maintain that this market is bullish, and I would continue to look at it from a bullish perspective. That having been said, I'd like to go down to a daily chart to see if I would find better information in there. Alright. Well, if we look at the daily, what do we see? We see the market has progressively made higher highs and higher lows. We can therefore say this market is definitely in an uptrend. Doesn't look like the daily chart is ready yet. Okay, it looks just like it. Okay, so we can see we have a high, a higher high. This is a low, a higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. This market might come down to make a higher low and progress to make a higher high, or alternatively it might crash down through this low and we can see a reversal. But until that is done, we see this market as being in a pullback, hoping to make a higher low and then go up for a higher high. Okay, now we can want to ask ourselves, where is the likelihood of the market reversing? Because now we obviously see the market is bullish, so we ask ourselves, where is the market likely to reverse and continue into the skies? And so we look at the down move before the up move, and here it is, down move before the up move, and bringing another block there. That's where the others were loaded, and we can obviously see, just a minute, okay. Alright, so you can obviously see that the market has tapped into this box. I'm going to blow it out just a little bit so you see clearly. The market came into that region and had a reversal from that zone. You can see this, which looks like a break of structure on a lower time frame. Definitely break of structure on a lower time frame. That pushed the market up. The market likely pulling back down and continuing bullish. But we're not certain yet if the market will do that. Before we can have a confirmation of a bullish run, I'd like to see the market do this. Come find some rejection around this level, push up, break this level here, break this level, and then come back for a retest, and I'll be looking to enter on that level to go all the way up into the north. But until that is done, I will not, I'm a little reluctant to take this trade, because the market can crash through this level to go lower and possibly go take out this lows at this level, and we see a major reversal. So you always remember that the market is two sides. It can either go up or it can go down. For now, what we see is this: the market has tapped into this level, has broken this market structure, and is likely showing us some bit of reversal. But let's go down a bit. Let's look at the 4-hour and see if we get a clearer picture down there. Alright, so here it is, and check this out. Okay, so what do we see here? We see this market coming to this zone. This is the zone where the market was expected. We had loads of others that took out structure at this level. Lots of others came from this point, and we expect the market to come back just into that level and push up. And that market definitely came in there and pulled away. Now we see this break of structure here. Market is coming back down, and where would you expect market to come to? This is our other block here. Okay, so let me just make this look nice, so we have a clearer picture. So market has tested this level. Market is expected to come to test this level, and then expected to reverse somewhere in this other block here. And I should like to refine this to a lower time frame so we have a clearer picture, and can get a more refined reversal. Okay, so let's go down to the 1 hour. Let's see if we have another block sitting out there. Okay, so we see it here. This is our other block. Okay, and still looks like this is break of structure here. Having moved to the 1 hour, the break of structure moves to this point now. So break of structure here. Sorry, this is our structure break. Got our break of structure there. This was the earlier structure that was broken, and so we see two structure breaks, clear structure breaks, pullback, and then it hasn't broken this one, so we see a major pullback back into that other block where the bulk of others came from that caused the stretch of break of structure. So we'll begin to look out for reversals in this zone. Now, what do we expect the market to do? If you're familiar with Wyckoff, you would understand when I say that the market will carry out some Wyckoff formations and give us some bit of accumulation, and from there we like to see something like this. So this and this and this, then a spring, and then boom, all the way up, a retest and up into the skies, right? That would be our Wyckoff schematics. But we'll talk about Wyckoff some other time, but if you understand Wyckoff, you should know what I am talking about. So we look at a bit of reversal here, the likelihood of the market reversing at this point. We can see okay, just leave it at that. That's on the 1 hour. Let's go down to a smaller time frame so we can look at the likelihood of an entry being bullish. I'm going to look at the 15 minutes and see what the market is doing inside of the 15 minutes. Okay, so okay, we see it. See first entry, second entry. So this is definitely some Wyckoff pre. Now we expect the market to come to make a spring and then come back all the way up. Now the market is currently giving us a spring. We have the preliminary support, the selling climax. We have the AR. We have the ST. We have the sign of strength. We have the STNB. Then we have the spring. After this spring, we expect the market to come all the way up, take out these levels, and then give us a pullback for a test. And this will be a major show of strength. We'll come back for a test, and then we'll go all the way up, and market will continue going. Now our entry will be at this point of the test, and then we look to go all the way up. As the market progresses, we continue to partial and partial and partial. Okay, so but until we see any of that, we'll still keep watching for reversal, because the market might also be exhausted with the up bullish move and just crash all the way down and continue to go, making lower lows and lower highs. So what can we do right now? All we can do is wait and allow the market to set up to give us a clear entry, and then we'll look to trade. Until that is done, so I'll be looking to see something like this. Let me just show you guys from here. A break of structure, pullback to test, and then go all the way into the knot, right? And then come back here, and yeah, that's what it's going to look like. And I can either enter at this level here, okay, with stop loss at this point and take my profit all the way above this high, or I might be looking to enter on the second entry somewhere around here, maybe here, I don't know. I'll wait for the market to set up and go all the way up into the skies. Okay, so that is where we are with the NASDAQ. No clear setup for now. Just give it some time, allow the market to give us this break of structure, then we continue bullish. Otherwise, we will be looking to go bearish. If the market goes all the way down and clears these two other blocks, we know that the market is obviously ready to U-turn and go bearish, making lower lows and lower highs. Alright guys, we're trying to keep it short and simple. We're trying to make sure we don't stay too long here, and just giving you a bit of direction so you have a fun trading day. Go make some profit, go make some money. This FS Panzy, and I'm out.